Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back once again in my class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. In the previous video, we have discussed about chapter 5, interrogative pronoun. Now, in this video, we are going to discuss about demonstrative pronoun. Before going to start, I want to remind you one thing, that you have to comment in the comment section for your attendance. Now we are going to start our revision of chapter 6, demonstrative pronoun. Please go through the previous video which I have uploaded earlier. Now we are going to start demonstrative pronouns. Here, demonstrative pronouns are used for showing things. The words this, that, these, those, and are demonstrative pronouns. Basically, demonstrative pronouns are used for showing things, and we are using words this, that, these, and those are demonstrative pronouns. First thing, this, the word this refers to what is close at hand and nearest to the things or person. The word this refers to what is close to us, what is close at hand and nearest to the things or person. We use the word this, demonstrative pronoun this. Next, the word that. That refers to what is over there, means farther away to the things or person. I am repeating once again. Demonstrative pronouns are used for showing things. The words this, that, these, and those are demonstrative pronouns. The word this refers to what is close at hand and nearest to the things or person. And the word that refers to what is over there or farther away to the things or person. Now you can see examples are shown on your screen. Pictures are also shown there. For example, this is my table. This is my table. Here the word this refers to what is close at hand. What is close at hand? What is nearest to the things? This is my study table. Now, second example. This is my friend's house. Whose house? My friend's house. So here the word this refers to what is close to the boy. This is my friend's house. Now, third example, these are sheep. These are sheep. And next example you can see, those are goats. Now, my dear students, here are some more sentences that show demonstrative pronouns. That is, you will have to work harder than this. Harder than this. You will have to work harder than this, means you have to do more work, more harder work than this. Now, second example, we can do better than that. Better than that means which you have done earlier. You can do better than that. Now the next example, what is this? What is this? Next one, no, that's not mine. That's not mine. Here the word that and this refer what is close, and that refers to what is farther away. That is not mine. That is not mine. Next thing, next sentence, What are those? What are those means here the word use those refer what is farther away. Next sentence. Hi Millie, this is Vasu. This is Vasu. So here the word this refers to that close at the hand and nearest to the person. Hi Millie, this is Vasu. Now come to the next page, page number 35. Here you can see the demonstrative pronouns. The demonstrative pronouns can be singular or plural. For example, for singular demonstrative pronoun, the word these and that. And for plural, these and those. Now, look at the examples. First one, this is my house. This is my house. Here the word this. And next, these are donkeys. You can see we use the word these and these, this and these when we are talking about thing near to us. I am repeating once again. For example, this is my house, this is my car, this is my toy. And next, these are donkey, these are pens. Okay, like that we use the word these and these, this and these when we are talking about things near to us. For example, this is my house, this is my house is close to, near to me, this is my house. Now next example, we use that and those when we are talking about things far away. I am repeating once again, we use the word that and those when we are talking about things which are far away. For example, that is mountain, mountain is far away. And next example, those are horses, those are horses, mean horses are not near to us, they are far away. That is why we use the word those are horses. Here next one, we also use this, the word this refer to something which we are about to say or do. How? For example, this is how you do it, this is how you do it. So we use that, the word that, to refer to something that has already been said or that has taken place already. I am repeating once again, we also use the word this to refer to something which we are about to say or do. But we use the word that to refer to something that has already been said or that has taken place already. We use that. For example, that was clever. That was clever. It refers that something has already been said. That was clever. On page number 35, you can see on your screen, no more. Here, when we answer a telephone call in British English, we say, who's that? Whereas in American English, we ask, who is this? To ask who is at the other end. Okay? Now, this is all about revision of chapter 6, demonstrative pronoun. Now, we are going through the exercises. First one, you can see, write demonstrative pronoun in the blanks. You have to write their demonstrative pronoun. First one, Sheila and I went for a walk. Sheila and I went for a walk. Next thing, what is dash over there? Then what you will write there? The word that. What is that over there? I asked. I asked. Then what you will write here? That. Next, dash is my new pen. You can write here, this is my pen, or you can also write here, that is my new pen. Now, third one, dash are my books. You can write these or the word those. Both you can write here, okay? Fourth one, dash are my old comics. I do not like them. You can also write here the word these or those, okay? Now, fifth one, you mean you won. You mean you won. That is amazing. What you will write here? The word that. Now, the sixth one, hi Rahul, dash is Sonia. Then your answer is, hi Rahul, this is Sonia. This is Sonia. Now, come to the next one, B. Underline the demonstrative pronouns in the following sentences. Here you have to underline the demonstrative pronouns. Sentences are given below. First one, this is her dress. Here demonstrative pronoun is the word this. Second one, these are your keys. Here demonstrative pronoun is the word these. Now the third one, this is a very sweet song. Here demonstrative pronoun is this. Fourth one, both dresses are beautiful, but this is better than that. This is better than that. Here the word this and that both are demonstrative pronoun. They both are demonstrative pronoun. Fifth one, this is the pen given by him. This is the pen given by him. Here the word this is demonstrative pronoun. Now the sixth one, those are the hills where the tiger lives. Those are the hills where the tiger lives. So here the word those is demonstrative pronoun. Now seventh one, this is his method of counseling. Here the word demonstrative pronoun is the word this. Now eighth one, that is the way I believe. Here demonstrative pronoun is the word that. I am going to remind you once again, then what is demonstrative pronoun? Demonstrative pronoun are used for showing things. Showing things. The word this, that, these and those are demonstrative pronoun. And the word this refers to what is close at the hand and nearest to the things or person. And the word that refers to what is over there or farther away. Okay. Now come to the next one. See, look at the picture given below and complete the child statement. Now look at the pictures on page number 36. You can see picture is given below. Dash is dash bicycle. Then what you will write here? This is a new bicycle. And bicycle is near, that is why we use the word this. And the next one, that is an aeroplane. So here we use the word that. That we use the word that refers to what is farther away. Then you can see the aeroplane is farther away to the boy. So here you will write that is an aeroplane. Now my dear students, it's time for your homework. Your homework is A, B and C. First of all, you have to fill these exercises in your textbook. as well as you have to write question A and B in your notebook. My dear students, I hope you all are doing your homework at your home, and you will also do your today's homework in your notebook. Thank you so much. God bless you.